Today I'm going to share my review and guide on how to get next day delivery on Amazon. A lot of people don't realize that this feature depends on a few key steps, so let's break it down so you can get your items faster. Step 1. Be a Prime member. Next day delivery is a special benefit for Amazon Prime members, so make sure you're signed up for Prime to unlock this option. Step 2. Set your address. Log into your Amazon account and set a default shipping address. This helps Amazon show you which items are eligible for next day delivery in your area. Step 3. Find eligible items. Not every item qualifies. Look for products that display the Prime icon, as those are eligible for fast shipping. Step 4. Order before the cutoff. Each item has a next day cutoff time listed on the product page. Place your order before that time to make sure it arrives by the next day. Step 5. Select delivery at checkout. When you're checking out, choose next day delivery or free next day delivery as your shipping option. Amazon will then confirm your delivery speed and estimated arrival. Important tips to remember: location matters. Next day delivery is only available in certain regions and cities, so double check availability in your area. Cutoff times vary. Don't assume all items share the same cutoff. Always check the product detail page. Item restrictions. Large appliances or bulk orders may not qualify for next day service. Delivery window. Most next day orders are delivered by 10 p.m. local time, but this will be shown during checkout. And that's it. By following these steps, you can enjoy the speed and convenience of Amazon's next day delivery. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.